I think I liked you better when I didn't know the real you.
Hey my loves, welcome back. And you're probably like, oh, this is the same look that she had in her other video. Yes, this is another video that I'm doing, and this time I'm going to be talking about interlocking and palm rolling. So if you didn't see my last video, I did a makeup look and head wrap tutorial on this. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description box as well as on the screen. And also, if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I am Patrice. It'd be great if you hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. For the month of December, I'll be uploading every single day, so make sure your notifications are on so you know every time I upload. Now let's get into this video. What is palm rolling? Palm rolling is a technique that is used to maintain our locks. This is commonly used for those who have semi-freeform locks or traditional locks like mine. This is actually done by using our hands and rolling or twisting in a circular formation. And this is how we will do it. For those who have freeform locks, they don't palm roll their hair. Their locks are free to do whatever, and it kind of forms the shape on its own. So however it forms a shape is how it will look, because how it's maintained is not by retwisting, interlocking, or anything. So you're free with how you maintain your hair. So they just wash it, moisturize your locks, and let it do its thing. What is interlocking? So interlocking is a technique that is commonly used by those who have sister locks or micro locks. These locks are actually very much smaller than those who have traditional locks like mine. So basically what interlocking is you're pulling the ends of your locks through the root to tighten at the scalp. So you're either using this with a tool or your fingers. Although interlocking is very common amongst those who have sister locks and micro locks, there are those who have traditional locks that also interlock their hair. You can definitely tell the difference between someone's hair that's interlocked and palm rolled. For interlocked, your hair looks more of like a braided lock versus palm rolling, where there's no distinctive braided textured look when it comes to the appearance of how your locks look, if that makes sense. When your hair is interlocked also, you don't have to worry about your locks unraveling because it's actually tightened instead of palm rolled. When you're palm rolling your hair in a circular motion, that palm roll can actually untwist from the way that you actually retwisted your hair. So the benefit of interlocking is that you don't have to worry about the unraveling, and you can work out and sweat and do swimming and do all types of stuff and not worry about your locks unraveling. However, with palm rolling, you do have to worry about unraveling because it does happen, and I've been dealing with it for so long, but it does not bother me. If you live a very active lifestyle and you feel like you don't want to be bothered with your hair unraveling and all of that, then definitely you could consider interlocking, but you definitely have to do your research on the pros and cons of interlocking. But you want to make sure you choose one. You don't want to do both of them, because if you are interchangeably doing palm rolling and interlocking as your maintenance, then your locks are going to be bumpy in different sizes. It's going to look really funny. So you want to stick to one maintenance. So either you palm roll or you interlock. Now, of course, like I mentioned, there are those who would interlock their hair most of the time, but they will palm roll their hair probably once a year or every 6 months or something like that. So for me, as a regular maintenance, I retwist every single month. I only palm roll. There's never a time that I will be interlocking all of my locks. That's just not what I do. That's not my maintenance. When it comes to palm rolling and interlocking, it all depends on your preference, what you want to deal with in your lock journey. And it does have quite of a difference, but it's your choice. Another thing I want to add about interlocking is that those who have finer texture hair, this is probably the best option for you to choose if you're choosing between interlocking or palm rolling, because when you have finer texture hair and you palm roll, it's just a lot more of a trouble to actually keep that lock into its place because of your hair. It's going to keep on unraveling because of the fact that your hair is just so soft or fine. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe right now. What you doing? What are you doing? Let's join the family. Like I said, this is all about your own preference. You choose on what's best for you, okay? Each have their pros and their cons, so it just all plays a part on what you want to do, how you want your hair to look, and you know what's just best for you, what fits your lifestyle. Palm rolling locks are great, interlock locks are great, locks are beautiful. You know, you just gotta choose one, baby. You just gotta choose one. So I'll see you tomorrow. Always remember, be spiffy and be you.
Intensify my being, break me down.